Yeah, so if you are watching this video, probably you are going to buy Samsung speaker kit SWA 9000 or 8500 wireless speaker kits, and I bought this item for Christmas and got it from Germany. And I'm not going to do any unboxing. There are tons of unboxing videos, so they are brilliant. The only thing is, when I was trying to decide if I was going to buy this or not, and I couldn't find some of the information I was looking for. And so what I have is I'm using Samsung Q70R Harman Kardon. It's a soundbar, and I have Samsung TV, and I'm using with Apple TV. As you can see, it's supporting dolbyvision and atmos. That's my setup, and here are the speakers, rear speakers, Samsung. I didn't have a chance to buy the stands yet, and I'm gonna do that after New Year probably, because there's no delivery in Ireland at the moment, proper delivery. Here's my subwoofer behind the sofa, and this is the wireless receiver. So, and I tried to watch a couple of different movies after I purchased this on Netflix and Disney Plus, and when I tried with Mandalorian, and the rear speakers didn't work at all. I didn't hear anything, and then I was a little bit concerned when I tried for the first time, and I started watching different movies. And for example, last night I watched Midnight Sky, and it was brilliant. So I can tell you that the difference between with and without speaker is massive. So you can hear all the details coming through the rear speaker. So I think without rear speaker kits, this Q70, Q80R or even T series Samsung soundbars are just waste of basically money. So if you have one of them, or if you're planning to buy one of those soundbars, just go and buy this speaker kit. I paid 120 euro from Germany.
Brothers or sisters?
And they're great. So it's impossible to demonstrate
deaf,
how
right?
it
You hear me
works.
talking. Hey.
Well, works perfectly fine.
You just can't talk.
And
Or you won't.
even with my TV, although
off.
it doesn't support atmos, it is brilliant. So I had no problem. I connected through eARC port, HDMI port, and works perfectly fine. And the only thing is, I think with Q70 and Q80, you don't need to use the HDMI dongle, and sorry, not HDMI, it's a Bluetooth dongle coming with the speaker kit. Just ignore that, leave it in the box. I think you need that if your soundbar doesn't come with Bluetooth. So with those you have to use USB-C type Bluetooth. For Q70, Q80, you don't need them. Just hook it up and straight away. The one thing I want to say is, if you look at the screen, you can volume up and down the rear one, and I saw in some videos it was showing up to 6 or something like that. This goes all the way up to 100, similar to sound level basically. And yeah, I mean, what I want to say is it works with Q70R, probably Q80R as well. And if you have, or if you're planning to buy, just spare some cash and then go buy this rear speaker kit. Otherwise you will just get soundbar quality 3.1 and 2, they say. But yeah, I think it's just a bit of bullshit. So you will get good quality sound. It's way better than your TV speakers, but it's nowhere near surround or 5.1 quality. I used different soundbars and 5.1 home theaters in the past. I can tell you that it is absolutely amazing at the moment with this Q70R Samsung soundbar. Amazing. So just just impressed with the quality of the sound at the moment. So that's what I want to say. So hopefully you have some answers, and as I said, I recommend this item. Okay, thanks, Grant.